Hello and welcome to How to Code More. This time we are not inside a room, we are in the nature, and the reason for this is we want to compare the Insta360 X5 versus the Osmo 360, since some of you were asking for this comparison. My videos are not influenced, I'm not sponsored for anything, so it's my real opinion. I will compare those cameras in sunlight and shadow, and making the videos in the highest resolution they can provide. So it's 8K video, and the photos are 72 megapixels on the Insta360 X5, and on the DJI Osmo 360 it's 120 megapixel. So you can download the footage and compare yourself. Enjoy. And here we are having both cameras side by side, the Insta360 X5 and the DJI Osmo 360. We will set them to the maximum. So here video, and we set it to 8K 30 frames. On the Insta it's the maximum, you cannot put it to higher frame rates. Also, high dynamic range is not possible to activate on 8K video. It's only possible on 5.7K video. So this is the maximum where we will record. On the DJI Osmo, we will set it to panoramic video. Here you can see we have 8K and we can go up to 50 frames, but we will leave it for comparison on 30 frames. On the Osmo you can also change the lens setup to go for wide or extra wide. I will leave it on standard for the video comparison. So we will walk through a little bit of away in shadow and sunlight and see how they behave. Here we are in sunlight, walking a bit, turning around and running a bit. So you can also see if it's shaking or not. We are now in the shadows, going to the tree. And just running into the sunlight a bit. So just walk. So here we are with our two cameras. We already made the videos, and now we will switch for the photo mode. Here we go for the maximum, 72 megapixels. We'll do one shot with HDR and one without. And on the Osmo, we will switch to the photo with 120 megapixel. There is no HDR setting here. Now let's do a side-by-side comparison of the options the cameras deliver. So first, starting them up. Sound are different, but they're quite fast, both of them. So going to the menu, you will see the Insta is longer on the market. So it has more options out of the box: photo, video, pure video, Insta frame. So this German, so time, bullet time, loop, street mode, lapse, series, interval. The Osmo has panorama photo, panorama video, a super night mode, a selfie mode, vortex, there you need special equipment, this is throwing around, and a time lapse.